Commander-in-Chief of the Republic of India, President Draupadi Murmu, hosting the President of the Republic of Indonesia. President Prabowo Subianto as the chief guest of the 76th Republic Day. The President's bodyguard escorting the duo in the majestic ceremonial buggy as it rolled down Kartavya Path to the saluting dais. President Murmu hoisting the tricolour, marking the commencement of the celebrations. The theme of this year's parade is the Golden Age, Legacy and Progress. Mi-17 choppers showering petals in Dhwaj formation.
The showering of flower petals, customary, traditional, ceremonial and auspicious.
Down Kartavya Path with the President taking the salute.
परेड कमांडर बहुत बड़ा गौरव, सम्मान और दायित्व.
The guest nation, Indonesia's contingent, join in the celebration with pride.
The Indonesian National Armed Forces, TNI, showcase their discipline and national pride from all branches of the TNI.
President Subianto taking salute alongside President Murmu.
Music and noble values. Going past the saluting base. Picture perfect positioning.
Talking of military might, in focus was Make in India with Atmanirbharta in defense.
Powerful 125
Bhishma T-90 tanks, Nag missile systems, BrahMos. Remember, India is close to inking a $450 million deal with Indonesia with an eye on China.
धनुष के नाम पर पिनाका अपार विनाशकारी शक्ति.
To the Akash weapon system were all on display.
Shatru Jahi, which translates to defeat the enemy in the sky, highlighting its critical role in safeguarding India's airspace.
The Tri-Services W made its debut, rolling down Kartavya Path, displaying the spirit of unity and integration. With the theme, Sashakt aur Surakshit Bharat.
Contingent led by Captain Ajay Singh Garsa. In their glorious history of more than 2 centuries, the regiment has actively participated in both the World Wars.
The Indian Navy too made its presence felt.
projecting India's sea power across thousands of miles.
3 MiG fighters led the Air Force marching contingent.
The contingent
148-member all-women marching contingent of Central Reserve Police Force captured India's Nari Shakti.
United Nations. The motto of the CRPF, service and loyalty.
It was all eyes skywards for the most eagerly awaited flypast.
P-17 Globemaster, a true embodiment of power, endurance and reliability in the air.
In formations that left one watching with bated breath, concluding with the vertical Charlie maneuver performed by a Rafale fighter aircraft.
Flight Lieutenant. So now, here comes